Hello guys, uh, welcome to Achiri Computer Training Center. This is Edwin. I'm happy since God has allowed us to see again this day. Now I want to do a retro introduction on our course. This is a computer course, and I shared a course outline. For those who were keen, had seen that course outline. So allow me go through the theory for today. I will go through theory very fast, so that as from tomorrow we will start well. So I'll be uploading videos on the same because I realized that not all of us will be available at the required time for me to do video representation. So I decided to upload my videos on our Telegram group so that you can get to learn when you enter the group. So I'll be uploading videos at exactly 8 every day. So for today, I want us to go through theories which are very simple. I share the notes before you can go through them. So I'll be very fast and so that I can cover what I want to cover. Very brief for the next 3 to 4 minutes. I finish. So let's go very fast. So if you want to, before I start, if you want to know anything, just contact the given numbers. Because yeah, if you want to know something, you can contact us for more information. So immediately let's go to our definition of a computer, because we must know what's a computer before we start working on it. So a computer, we said, is an electronic device that accepts data, manipulates under its set of instructions to produce a desired output. For you to understand a computer, for you to fully define a computer, you must mention 4 things. It's an electronic device that accepts an input, works under instruction to produce a desired output. So there must be an electronic device, an input, an output, and also manipulation. The second definition is data. Allow me change the presentation. Yeah. The next thing is data. And we say data is anything that you input into computer that has no meaning. So anything that you input in your computer that has no meaning is the data. So the information is the data that has been processed and it's now meaningful. Processing is just a conversion of data into information. It's self-explained. A software is an instruction that enables computer hardware to accomplish its task. So a program or a software is an application that is installed into a device. So this instruction will allow your machine work well under your instructions. So like now Microsoft Word is an instruction that is installed into a computer that enables work, enables generate documents. So this software or this program is just like an application, and it must work under instructions. The system unit is just a casing that contain all the meaningful components of computer. Like now we have the motherboard, the BIOS, the CMOS, CMOS. We will see the meaning of the CMOS as we move. And Next, storage, you know that's just for holding the information. Output, you know, is the feedback. Hard copy is a printed paper. Like if you've generated a document, you can print it using a printer to make it hard copy. Soft copy is something that you can see, you can read, you can understand it, but you cannot touch it. It is just displayed on your UI. UI is just the screen, the monitor. UI means user interface, where a user can see and read information provided by what? By the computer. Next thing, let's understand the parts of a computer. So we have four key or important types of a computer. So number one type is a monitor. Number two is a system unit, mouse, and the keyboard. These are the main types. I know you know them, guys. A monitor is hiyo screen yenye unaonanga hapo juu kwa desktop, your desktop, where you can read information, where you can enter information and see it is entered, is now what we call the monitor. The system unit ni now the brain of a computer. It contains everything like the motherboard, iko kitu kanakuwa kama ka box kando. That's now the system unit. The mouse is something like you know it mouse. You know, guys, I'll show you when I'll be teaching you the keyboard. I'll show you a mouse and also the keyboard. The keyboard is what we use to enter our useless data, because data has no meaning until it is processed into information. Now, for historical development of computers, allow me, guys, to assume that, because it's not that important for you. But you can go through them. I share the notes, so you can go through the historical development of computers and also generations of computers. I will not go through them. You will go through them by yourself. Uses, go through them. I share the notes. The desktop computers, just go through them, understand the microcomputers and mini computers, supercomputers, classification, how we classify them according to their physical size, the purpose, functionality, and as per the physical size, we have supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers, and microcomputers. Microcomputers just like our desktops that we use in offices, in our laptops, our palm tops, you know them. So because that one is very simple, I will allow you go through them, the notes, and they can be there in our exam. Since we are going to provide the certificates for you guys, we must give an exam so that we can produce certificates as per the requirement of the Achiri organization. Okay, now what you do, allow me go direct to the keyboard. Allow me, next I'll teach the keyboard before we close today. For computer hardware, I'll not teach, but if you want to know computer hardware, you just request, then I'll organize all the same. But for today, I want to teach a computer keyboard. Then we will call it a day. So as from tomorrow, we will start on our first Microsoft package, which is Word. That is our main focus.